Hey everybody. Today's video is going to be about adding a sticky sidebar to a WordPress post. Okay, so the reason I'm going to do this is because I want to add a block in that sidebar that is an affiliate link. So it's kind of like having an ad on there, but it's going to be over on the side, so it's not going to interrupt the flow of the article. And I'm going to make it sticky, so that means that when you scroll through the article, that block will stay there. Okay, so people get to see it longer. So what I'm going to do is I have this post in draft. I haven't really edited it yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add before. I'm going to add a row layout. And I'm going to select this one. It's called Right Heavy. Okay, because I like to have sidebars on the right-hand side of my page. Okay, so I'm going to move me out of the way, and I'm going to go up to my list view. And here's the row layout that I just added, and you can see it has two sections. The smaller section is there. The larger right-hand section is here. So I'm going to grab all of my article by holding my Shift key and selecting the whole article, and I'm going to grab it and I'm going to put it into that right-hand section. Okay, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to work on this section on the side right here on the left. And I already have a reusable block made, and it's called my Cadence affiliate block. And I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to edit that so that it is uh, aligned in the center. And I have to save that. Okay. And I'm going to go back. Okay, now that's center aligned. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Looks like now I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, and so you can see that I already have a sidebar on my article. So I'm going to go back to my article and go to um, this post settings. And I'm going to, instead of post layout, which is default, which is picking up what I've done in the customizer where I've made this a left sidebar page, I'm going to call it normal. And you can see that that made room for me here. So save this draft and go and take a look at what happened. And you can see now that that sidebar is gone. Okay, and then here's my little ad. So when you scroll, you can see now that there's just a big blank space over there. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to grab this whole section. Okay, I don't want this outer section. I just want this row layout. And I'm going to come over to this settings menu. I'm going to go into advanced, go to sticky settings, and I'm going to make it sticky. Okay, now I can do a header offset, and oops, don't want to do that. I'm going to do just a little bit, and that's going to just lower it down a little bit. And let's see how this looks. Okay, so if I come over here and I refresh my page, and there's my block, and you can see that it has stuck there. Okay, so first it starts off right even with the top, and then as I scroll down, it's going to offset from the top a little bit, so it's not going to be stuck way up to the top of this. And you see it's in a nice spot right there, so that as people are reading, they get to see it all the way through. Now, I think that maybe this is a little bit wide. So you can change that if it bugs you. come out to the outer row, and you see this little fluid resizing, it's called. And if we just kind of grab that, push it over a little bit, we can make that block a little bit narrower. Let's save that draft. Go back out and refresh and see that's much better. Okay, so you scroll down and there's my block, and people are going to see it the whole time. And I could add something else in here. I could add a sign up. But you don't want to add too many things, because if you add too many, they're going to get a scroll bar over here, and you don't want that. So this is really for, this article is all about Cadence blocks. So why not put my Cadence affiliate right there front and center where they're going to see it? Okay, thanks. I hope you enjoyed this.